It shouldn't be free. That should never happen. So let's go up until process video. I wonder if we can see the other threads as well. It looks like we did a re-encode, which is interesting. So it's the second re-encode that's failed. So if we print the current state of VO, we have next equals 3, end equals 3. Start is some giant fuck off value. Okay, well, that's not good. Yeah, interesting. So I clearly want these to point, which I think does make sense. Like, do I ever use them as indices in any reasonable sense of the word? I think the answer is no, I never do. I use next as an indice, or as an index. Okay, for some reason that crashed my audio. Okay, start equals 2. Okay, so we've processed 1. Next equals 4, end equals 4. Okay. I don't think that should be allowed. That seems wrong. Incorrect. Should this be cap? No, it should be cap plus 1. Because 3 is allowed. So mod 4 gives you 0 to 3. Yeah, so that should be cap plus 1. Should that be cap plus 1? Yeah, that one should be cap plus 1. Equals cap. Ah. Do I ever check the value of VO end? I don't think so. Though I should. I should, because we're going to have the problem that it doesn't wrap around. Process video. While VO start. Am I meant to be touching VO start? I am. This doesn't actually need to be an atomic fetch add. It just needs to be an atomic store. And the reason is, I said so. The reason is that every other thread should be waiting, right? It's not their turn, so every other thread should be waiting. It's my turn. Yeah, so this at the moment should just be, if we get this working, this should be strictly slower than the previous one because we're not actually parallelizing the bit that needs to be parallelized, which is the software re-encode. Okay, but that's fine, that's fine. We can pull that stuff out later. What's icky about this? So we need to go atomic store VO start plus 1 modulo VO cap, right? Cap plus 1. And then that can go. So VO and this is not an atomic, right? No. So we're the only thread that actually cares about it. Equals VO and plus 1 modulo VO cap plus 1 to do blah. If we jump back up here, yeah, okay. All right. Okay, I don't think that's doing anything. I think that did a couple of frames and then stopped. Oh, I was wrong. And it's actually 17 frames a second. That's very interesting. So we pick a random point. We've got to re-encode at 55. Okay, all right. So what we need to do is send video frame. Yes, send video frame. I think we can pull this whole thing out. I don't think any of this needs to be this far down. Yeah, so yeah, there we go. And we can go up here and we can just put that there. Or there, I think. Yeah. Okay, brilliant. And so this is send video frame. But before we do that, we want to do the re-encode video frame. We want to take this bad boy. Is this the only place we use stride as well? I think so. Re-encode video frame. And we'll put that there for now. And we can do a return 0 here. And then we can, I think, just steal, yeah, these. Are we re-encoding a video frame, or are we re-encoding, or I think this is just encode video frame. And then I don't think we need buffer after that, right? Like this doesn't need buffer. No, this doesn't need buffer at all. Okay, so we can do something like that. So we can do something like encode, if encode video frame. This is like if ret equals, I guess. If ret 1x couldn't, yeah, what are we gonna do? That should go up here. I don't think there's actually anything I can do or anything I should do. I think we should just power on. Not true. I should yeah, it's kind of grotty. But here we should go send video frame, and we should do that. And we might even bring sending of the video frame in the function. In fact, we could bring all of this into process video. This doesn't actually need to be here, but we'll consider that later. Does that compile? No. Okay. Okay, I didn't do that. 793. Okay. Okay. Doesn't feel faster. To be honest, I don't think the frame per second count will go up because of, whoops, all the extra processing is bursty. Yeah, it looks pretty slow. Yeah, that was okay. Yeah, 17 frames a second, that's definitely nothing to write home about. I think I'm gonna get rid of that one. Ooh. 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 What did that? Oh yeah, did I get any, like... No, not by the looks of it. Didn't get any frames. So encode video is a problem here. While VO start is less than count. So count should be 1, right? Yeah. And VO start is 0. So there's another thread out. Oh, is this not multi-threaded? Oh, fuck. Ah, fuck. Well, that's a bit shit. Okay, that's not the end of the world though. We can deal with that problem. We can bring this. This has no reason to be here. That can come in here. And we can create it here. Yeah, yeah, we have all that information. We can bring that into process video. Okay, and that looks fine. Okay, and then this, we get rid of all that. Okay. Not error X, but warn X and return null. Couldn't allocate, actually, yeah, we will error. I haven't decided what I'm doing on memory allocation failures, but currently it's just exiting the whole process, which is fine. And then down the bottom, are we meant to free that stuff? Speaking of free,